Assalamualaikum and hello all my dear viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to share with you Bakrid special most delicious and very unique mutton chop recipe in a unique style. So without getting any further delay, let's get started. So here I have washed it cleanly and here I'm having 1 kg of mutton chop with me. I'm going to add it into a big vessel. So that I'm going to add all these spices and marinate it. So first of all I'm going to add cleanly washed mutton chops into a big container or a big vessel. And here I'm going to add some spices. First of all I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of haldi or turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon of dhania powder or coriander seeds powder, and salt according to taste. Along with it I'm also going to add in 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder and 2 to 3 tablespoons of curd, and I'm also going to squeeze 1 lemon into it, which gives a very tangy and delicious taste. And if you prefer less sour, you can even skip the lemon juice. I prefer to add, so I'm going to add in 1 lemon juice into it. And here I have squeezed it. Let's now mix all the ingredients with the chops and allow it to marinate for up to 2 to 3 hours or as per your convenience. If you are comfortable, you can even cover it and allow it to rest for 1 day or 1 whole night, or you can even marinate it for 1 whole night in refrigerator for best results. So here I'm going to marinate it for 2 to 3 hours, which makes it so delicious. And do give it a try and let me know your experiences in the comment section. So here almost 2 to 3 hours have been completed and I have heated a kadhai on the stove and I have added in 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. As the oil gets heated up, I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of jeera or cumin seeds, 2 to 3 cardamom, 1 teaspoon of cloves, and 1 teaspoon of kebab chini, and 2 to 3 bay leaves, and few curry leaves, and 4 to 5 split green chilies. Now after getting them splattered for 1 to 2 minutes, I'm going to add in the marinated mutton chop pieces into the kadhai. Be very slow during this process because the oil splatters up. And add in the leftover masala and 1 cup of water and cover it and cook for up to 5 minutes. So here after 5 minutes you can see the chops have been cooked up to 30 to 40%. Now stir it again properly from the bottom and add in pudina leaves on the top, which gives them good aroma. Again cover it and cook up to 5 to 6 minutes. So here after continuously cooking it for up to 5 to 6 minutes on medium to high flame, here you can see our mutton chop fry is almost ready and you can see how yum and delicious they look. It goes best with roti, paratha or naan. So here it is almost done. I'm going to fry it for a minute on high flame and let's plate it out. So here our most delicious Bakrid special chap fry is ready. This is mutton chap fry, which is very delicious and tasty. Do give it a try and let me know your experiences in the comment section. And if you like my recipes, do hit the like button. Do share it with your friends and family members. Till then we'll meet you in the next recipe. Allah Hafiz.